How to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you find and delete all viruses on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to check for any suspicious application, go through your apps and if you see anything that you don't recognize, simply tap and delete that. After that, you'll have to clear your Safari cache, open settings. From settings section, simply you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application Safari and tap on that. From Safari, as you have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on advanced. From advanced, tap on website data. From here, simply you can get the option for remove all data at the bottom. Simply tap and confirm here. After you clear the cache of Safari, as you have to also update your iOS version. Simply for that, from the settings section, tap on general. Now from here, tap on software update. From here, make sure you have the latest iOS version. After that, you can simply restart your iPhone. This can stop background malware or adware processes. If you are still unsatisfied, you can simply reset your iPhone. But make sure first you have to back up your data. For that, simply from here, tap on general. Now from here, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, tap on erase all content and settings. From there, you'll be able to reset your iPhone and from that way, you'll be able to delete all viruses on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.